Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I brought you this springtime super fun, flirty, colorful makeup tutorial. I definitely started off with Skin Is In this spring. Yes. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future video references. Turn on the bell. And you know, we're gonna get 2018 up in here. It's been 3 months, but you know, we're going into the 4th. We know we're gonna make it the rest of the good 8 months that we have left. And be blessed. Like, 2018 is coming for good things. So the first thing I'm taking in my video is my cocoa butter Vaseline for my lips, because we don't want chapped lips all 2018. The next item I'm taking is the Clinique moisturizer. It's for combination to oily skin, I think. I'm neither one, but I just love it because it penetrates my skin very well. The next product I'm taking is my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And y'all, when I say since I've purchased that spray, I'm in love with that spray. Like, I use it for everything. I just don't know why. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, any color 338 Spicy Brown, and my Dampen Real Technique sponge. And I'm just dabbing. Y'all, this is like my perfect shade. At first I was using 335, but 338 is the perfect shade for me, especially because it's going to get hotter and I'm going to get a little tan. So for concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. That's my perfect highlight shade. It's not too light, or you know, it just gives me the right amount of brightness that I like. Next, I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And first, I'm setting my eyes before I'm baking, but I am going to kind of bake. Well, not kind of, I am going to bake, because it's mainly to catch the fallout from the bright colors that I'll be using. But no powder has compared to this one. I love this powder. I do want to try the Sacha Buttercup, so if you've tried that one, please let me know if you really like it or not. So now this is the baking part after I done set everything. So for the eyes, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. And I'm taking the yellow shade at the very front. And that's going to be my transition color. I still have mixed reviews about this palette. I love a lot of the colors and hate some of the colors at the same time. Like the pigmentation for this yellow, I feel like you have to work with it a lot. But I love the payoff color at the end. Even if I have to dip into it 3 or 4 times, I don't care. As an overall, the palette is a 10. I'll give it a 10. I'm taking that burnt orange color. The brush that I'm using is a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. I use the same brush for the yellow and for the orange. And just blending out, blending in circular motions as always. I'm adding a little bit more yellow because I kind of lost it from blending out that burnt orange. And you guys, along that's a look, like, honestly. So I'm taking that light shade at the top and I'm using it as my brow highlight. But if I just would have thrown on some liner, that look alone is a very nice light spring makeup tutorial. So next I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 25 Medium. And the clip got lost where I blended it out, but I had to go back and blend it out a little bit more. So basically I did a half cut crease. My eyelid space, my eyelid to my eyebrow space is big, but my eyelid space as its own is not that big. So I can't do a super large cut crease. So I'm taking that teal color, and that's going to be my pop of color over my whole eye look. That's my favorite color. Like anywhere in the shade range between like a Tiffany blue and a sea blue color, it's my favorite color. And Jaclyn, honey, you outdid yourself with this color. This one is like a dark purple in the palette. I really love that. So I'm taking a really dense, small, fluffy brush, is very small, and I'm getting that maroon color to kind of blend in the teal and the orange, like to blend everything. I didn't want to take away from that teal at all though. I wanted that to be the main color focus. Next I'm using a brown liner, and I'm repeating the same steps from on top of my eye. Just use some brown, some red, and then a teal. Nothing major. And I also did my liner and my lashes off camera, but I am going to be using the Beehive Lashes by Kiss. I found them at Walmart. So I'm just sweeping away my powder. I also used some of my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder when I swept away my finishing powder. Now I'm using a NYX contour powder just to give my face some definition. Even my nose. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm using the 2 coral shades out of it. No one really wears blush anymore, but I still like it. So I'm using a Nicole Guerrero and AVH palette. This is the color 143 to highlight my face. I also highlighted my inner corners of my eye. You'll see it in a minute. Using the Makeup Shayla's Big Shot Mascara with Maybelline. I'm using a NYX pencil liner in the color Cappuccino, and then the NYX lingerie lipstick in the color Fortune Cookie. I'm not sure, I have to check, but it'll be listed in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's Fortune Cookie. And I also did set my face with my Maybelline setting spray, but I just didn't put it on there. So thanks you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.